Pre-Bus Life, I had an excellent hair team. Design Hair Tamworth, Jay and Tash were fabulous. I had often undercut, rave shave. I often had rainbow bright hair. I had lots of things going on, but I have not been able to maintain that living in a bus, moving around, different hairdressers. By the time you find a good hairdresser, you're gone to somewhere else again. So this has become a bit of a mop and box hair dyed boring brown, which is pretty close to my natural colour. But I've been watching Brad Mondo videos and I'm going to try the butterfly cut, I think, myself, because it's at the point now where my undercut, I don't know if you can see, but my undercut has almost caught up to my actual, like, the top of my hair length. So my undercut's nearly grown out, and I've persisted with it all summer. It's been itchy and hot and sweaty, and I've just put up with it and I haven't shaved it off. So now I think I'm at the point where I need it cut. I am concerned if I go into a butterfly cut though that this is just going to be extra floofy and it's going to like this, but we'll see how we go. And Brad Mondo, if you ever do watch this clip, I'm going to apologise now